Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about one of these stories that I always see floating on social media. It's kind of like one that we've done previously about the girl finding out that she had HIV because she sneaked into her boyfriend's phone, but this one is very different. So without further ado, let's get into this. It says, I've been with someone that I really trusted and loved. I told him that I didn't want to get pregnant and he did it. I was so stressed out that I lost the baby. Before that, I was back and forth in the hospital. After that happened, we started to again, but I told him he would have to use condoms. The first night he told me he was using a condom, but behind my back he took it off and into me anyways. He lied about it and I was upset and I didn't talk to him. But because that's who I've been with, I went back again the second time. I ensured that he was wearing a condom at all time, and after we were done having sex, I turned around and looked to see his ping pong was all the way through the condom. Then he told me that it popped. I haven't talked to him because now I'm pregnant and I will not give my child his name, nor do I want to have anything to do with him. It's the same way he could have given me an STI or STD or AIDS and give it to me. I rather struggle than to be lied to. I want to know if I'm making the right decision. On a thing say, I'm on a little tie man with pitney. Y'all got it all the way twisted because men do it all the time, okay? Men tie woman with pitney all the time. Y'all like to act like women alone do it, or females are the only one that like to tie down men with kids, but men do it a lot also. But quite frankly, here is where I have a problem with her story. How are you going to depend on another person to be responsible for you and your body? Like there's so many contraceptives out there to prevent pregnancies. There's also plan B. There's another option of adopt. You can send your kid off to adoption if you didn't really want a kid. You can also abort the child if it was an unplanned pregnancy. Women have a lot, and I mean a lot of options these days. So for you to completely blame this man, that don't sit right with me personally. It's also your fault, and you need to take responsibility for your carelessness and your actions. And quite frankly, there are a lot of Jamaican women, and I see it every day, a lot of Jamaican women that would love to have a child that can't. So be glad that God bless you with one and you're gonna actually keep it and deal with it after, because this man didn't only try it once or 2 times, he did it 3 times. So you obviously must have wanted that kid. Don't make excuses for people that know better, that should do better. He knew better. He knew you didn't want it. You also knew, but you still went and lied with him the same way, and him do the same thing over and over and over, and until he eventually got pregnant. So you must have wanted that child. So I'm not gonna take up for 2 irresponsible adults, because that's what you are. Anyways, comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that it's her fault because she should have protected herself? Do you think that it's his fault because he was trying to give her a child? Either ways, and he needs to take care of his responsibilities now and be a part of the kid's life? Or do you think it's both of them fault? What are your thoughts? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.